We have left the Odjoran system, but before we reach the Krell system 6,000 astronomical units further out, there is one more strange object left. The strange cold planet of Tuvoas. Far beyond the Kuiper Belt, against all expectations, lies another small gas planet. Tuvoas orbits over 105 astronomical units from Odjoran, giving it an orbital period of over 1150 years. The planet is not visible from ESPA by a long shot, with an apparent magnitude of roughly 17.1 positive, putting it far below the border of the spectrum the naked eye can observe. The planet's orbit has an inclination of 4.7 degrees, and it is a lot smaller than Nakwa and Thror, having a diameter of only 33,700 kilometers, or roughly 2.64 times the size of Earth. It's less massive than Nakwa, having only 9.14 Earth masses, and its upper atmosphere completes one actual rotation every 34 hours, which is very slow for gas giant standards. Like Nakwa and Thror, the planet has a primarily hydrogen-helium atmosphere with traces of ammonia and methane, with its small size and mass classifying it as a gas dwarf. It is so far out, the planet's temperature has plummeted to over 240 degrees below zero. With a density of 2.7 grams per cubic centimeter, it's the system's densest gas planet. The planet consequently holds a gravity of 1.3 Gs. Tuvoas holds the most distinctive cloud bands of the system with at least 3 pronounced spots, as it appears a very dark blue-green in color. No moons have been found around this distant planet, but it does have a faint ring system. This ring system is ancient and only has very thin ring bands. There are numerous distinct rings which together extend from 28,000 to 47,500 kilometers from the planet's center. The ring system is probably all that remains of a once lunar system. In its strange orbit, far beyond the Kuiper Belt, Tuvoas cannot be a native planet to the Axel system. As no planets could have formed here, the planet is in all likelihood a captured rogue planet, an interstellar wanderer from the depths of space, which in the distant past was ejected from a faraway solar system, but just happened to get plucked from the darkness by Odjoran. Going invisible from ESPA, Tuvoas won't be known for most of its history. Even after the discoveries of Nakwa and Thror, lying so far beyond the Kuiper Belt, Tuvoas simply won't be found until their technology is on par with 20th or 21st century humans. So yeah, that really is the last planet of the Odjoran system. Beyond it lies the already discussed Krell system in Uram. But before we turn our attention to ESPA, I'd like to wonder, what lies beyond the Krell system? What are the distant objects that would appear in ESPA's night sky? How would the night sky's appearance influence ESPAN culture? What does the interstellar neighborhood of Axel look like? Next video I'ma dive into all these questions. Until then, don't forget we have a Discord and we're happy to discuss all world building. Stay tuned.